If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to unlock smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a capable graphics card. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly improve performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality and disable any unnecessary features such as shadows or reflections to reduce the load on your system. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help improve the game's performance. Step 5. Optimize network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, and consider resetting your router to improve latency and reduce lag during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering in Roblox and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!